Symmetry or reflection symmetry. When two or more parts are identical after a flip. Symmetry is the idea that when something is cut in half, if both halves are identical, then that thing has symmetry. Take the human face. If a line is to be drawn down the middle of the nose and one side folded over onto the other, would both sides line up identically? Probably not, because human faces have symmetry flaws, and some of the flaws are what make human faces so wonderfully enjoyable to behold. What about the human body? Is it symmetrical? If the chest area or upper torso area were cut in half and folded over, would one side exactly align with the other? No, because the heart and other organs are off-center, and the human body has natural imperfections that make it unsymmetrical. So only with simple shapes, like a perfectly drawn heart symbol, when cut in half and folded over, would both halves align exactly with one another. Antonyms: asymmetrical.